Alright guys, so coming up with a challenge 2019. We're gonna be saving, okay? All of 2019 we're saving.
I ain't playing with you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl next door. Welcome back subscribers. Hello, how are you doing today? I'm not in my scrubs today because this is not a tip. I've been working on this for so long. I started it with myself before I can tell you guys and get you guys on the ball. Basically, I started a challenge within myself and I just wanted to save. I wanted to see how far I could save. I wanted to see how much I could save or how long I was willing to save and to see what goal I could reach or how much I could save by the end of, I don't know, every month or something like that. And I started off with Ciroc bottles because my stepdad loves drinking his Ciroc, original Ciroc. So every time he would throw his bottles away, I'm like, why do that? Why waste your bottles? You're spending $50 or whatever, however much you spend on your Ciroc bottles, and then you're throwing it away. So I was like, instead of just leaving it in my account where I can be able to withdraw from it, or you know, like have a savings account and be able to transfer money, because you know you have like a certain limit to, like, you know, transfer your money. Like I think it's like 7 limits before they actually charge you. Well, that's with Wells Fargo. But I'm like, why not take the cash and just put it somewhere so whenever it's full, I can just break it and see how much I save. So right now I have this bottle here and it's filled with dollars, fives. You can't really see it, but there's 10s at the bottom. And this one is already full. And now I am on my second bottle. And I kind of wanted to, you know, share this with you guys. You know, I want 2019 to be a year of savings. You know, we want this to be a year of savings, so I want to include you guys in this challenge. So I went off and I brought this gallon. It's a 3-gallon 11.4 liter. I just brought it from Walmart because I actually want to join the challenge with you guys. This wasn't much. It was like, I believe like $6. They do have bigger ones, but I didn't want the bigger one. So I want to start off with this and then we can keep going, you know. But I definitely want you guys to join me in this challenge, and whoever saves the most, I can definitely see if there's a little prize for you guys towards the end. I don't know what the prize is gonna be yet. I'm super excited about this challenge. I want you guys to join me. And I want to see how many people can save. Like, that's just it. I want it to be a fun little game we play, or a fun little challenge we do for 2019. I want to see how much you guys can save, because everyone knows we can spend money. Everybody know we can spend money, but I want to know, can you guys save? Can you? Can you? And we're gonna call it the Can't Reach Challenge. Or no, better yet, let's do the Can't Touch Challenge, because I don't want you touching it. I don't want you going inside. Well, it's probably easy to take out, but that's not the goal. That's not, we're not worried about that. We're worried about filling the gallon up. That's what we're worried about. So join me on this challenge. I want to see you guys posting that you're putting your money in there. I want you to tag me on Instagram. I almost broke my bottle, guys. I want you guys to tag me on Instagram, tag me on Snapchat. Where I don't have a Twitter, so yes, I want you guys to tag me. I want to definitely get this challenge out there and just see if people can save, you know. I want it to be fun. I don't want it to be too much of it. I don't want you guys to think too much of it. And like I said, whoever saves the most, or whoever posts the most, or whoever, I don't know. Let's just get the ball rolling. That's just it. Let's just get the ball rolling. That's where I want to do with this challenge. I just want to get the ball rolling. Get your auntie, your brother, your sister, your mother, your get everybody to do it. Get everybody to do it. I'm literally probably gonna buy one for my mom. She said she wanted to join the challenge. We could definitely go ahead and do that, because after I brought my gallon, that's where they were like, what, my 5 gallon? Did I say it right? 5 gallon? Because mine is a 3 gallon. We don't want the 5 gallon. You guys could do something less than that. I just chose this one. I thought it was cute, and I kind of could hide it, you know, in a little spot that no one can, you know, touch it. Especially me, like, I don't want to see it. If I'm saving, I don't want to see it. I don't want to smell it. I don't want to lick it. I don't want to nothing. Because if I see it, I'm going to spend it. You get it? Let me stop with y'all, but no. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this out there, y'all. Post, share, like, comment. Hey. Let me stop with y'all, but nah. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video. Get everybody to join this challenge. I want to see y'all, okay? I want to see y'all 2019 can't touch challenge. Like, come on now. Let's get it.
Alright guys, so coming up with a challenge 2019. We're gonna be saving, okay? So all 2019 we're saving. Everybody grab your money, you feel me, whatever you got, and then we just gonna start putting them in bottles. Or if you have a piggy bank or whatever, you feel me, I like exclusive shit, so I put it in the Ciroc bottle. So who up to take the challenge?